even though this motor was super clean inside, it's not a junkyard motor unless you have to weld at least one exhaust stud out. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm TIG welding it and about to take it out. This is how I always take them out. The TIG weld gets it nice and hot. Then I take a blowgun, cool it down just a little bit, and then I end up taking it right out. So we were parting out with Buggy, and we knew we were going to build something new. We weren't 100% sure. We were about 75% at this point that we were going with a JHF chassis. We just didn't know that we were going to do a full roller. At this point, we were just going to do a chassis and a set of axles and maybe tires. But, so this motor we got from a junkyard auction. It's a good place to look for auto parts because, as you could see, this thing is pretty mint. Nothing is out of ordinary. There's no sludge in it, and it looks like it was pretty well taken care of. Once I cleaned it all up, like, it really didn't look that bad. So we're gonna get this motor together and get it ready to be dropped in the chassis when we go pick up the chassis. SEYMOUR paint has great coverage and lays flat, as you can see. I'm just cruising right along painting this. So this is the intake horn to the motor. It looks a little different for a 3.9 because this motor came from a G6. So it's got this weird like ram horn looking thing. So we are gonna get it all painted red and then get it reassembled. Here I'm trying to figure out the accessory drive, and here I am taking apart the transfer case because the transfer case was for my 23 spline, like Dana 300 Jeep style, and I need it for my 700 R4, so I'm putting a new input in it. We made a run down to New Jersey to our transmission guy, Brad. He owns Tricounty Transmissions. He's the one that's built all of our transmissions. So we're at the junkyard. What is crazy is, well, it's not crazy because LS swapped the world. There's not very many LS's left in the junkyard. There's a lot of Ford, like F-250s and Dodges, even like third gens like that one, and but a lot of Jeeps. But yeah, that's a newer F-150 down there, but there ain't a lot of Chevys. Like there's one up there. There's one right here. I'm looking for an alternator because the bracket kit I have for the 3.9 uses a... the hood's been off of that one. Not really good to have rain pouring on your alternator. This one looks mostly complete. And we're off to Michigan, and here we are pulling away with our new 386 Fab Jesse Haynes 2-seater in tow, and we are headed back to Pennsylvania. If you didn't watch the video of the interview with 386 Fab, go check that out because it's pretty interesting. It was super cold up in Michigan, and as we were leaving, it started getting even worse, and so we called it and figured it was safe to get a hotel. I have the best neighbors. I called them up and he came over and helped me push in the buggy, and also my neighbors brought me over a hot meal. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Hope you're enjoying this build series. Drop a comment on what you're working on, and don't forget to share and hit that like button.